Hello, salam and greetings dear viewers. This is Bahram Ali Nai Nuristani, basically resident of the land of light so-called Nuristan. Dear friends, I am in Eastern Nooristan, Kamdesh and Barg-e-Matal districts. I have a special trip to this beautiful and splendid region. On the way we were passing through the beautiful and magnificent valleys. There are an archery competition among the villagers. One thing I would like to add, you know that Nuristan was the last province in Afghanistan to be converted very strategically and politically to Islam in the late 1896, and we accepted Islam, but still we practice our old ancient ethos, values and traditions. If we come to the main and basic points, that the Britishers, I mean the Great Britain, which is now in a small pound as a big fish after the Brexit, they trade with us because we were separate and independent at this region. Anyway, I am not going into details of this big issue. From that day to this day, from that day to until now, we Nuristanis maintain and retain cultural identity, architecture, and practice of archery. This archery competition is the national and traditional game of Nuristanis, and particularly it is very famous and popular tradition game of Eastern Nooristan and has so many fans in Nuristan. This game or this archery competition starts generally in the month of June and July till end of the summer season or close to the winter season. In this archery competition, the two teams are participating in it, and the number of participants can be 9, 10, and 12. Basically, there is no any particular participants in it. Even large number of players can participate. This competition has 3 rounds, just like cricket series. This competition is called in Nuristan or Nuristani language Drukan, which consists of bow and arrow. Any arrow that crushing, shooting the target inside the circle or the target can be counted 2 points or score. So inside the circle is 1 point and outside the circle is no point or no score. So the scenario you can watch. I'm not going into the deep history or background of this archery competition which is being playing in Nuristan, but the Nuristanis are practicing and playing 1,000 years ago this game. Nuristan has a rich culture. Even in outside of Afghanistan, you can find, you can visit in the European museums and libraries, especially in the Museum of Norway country. Whoever team wins 2 rounds is the winner of this archery competition. Usually there are 24 points are score. There is a big place between the two villagers that the loser team will slaughter a cow and make an arrangement for and make an arrangement party for the winner team, and the both team will participate at this party. There shall be a celebration, pleasure, dancing, shouting, laughing, whistling, and so on. So the main objective and purpose of playing this archery competition is to create social harmony, creating conducive environment and peaceful atmosphere among the valleys in Nuristan. Playing such a kind of game or competition, the Nuristanis are reviving their ancient ethos, values, and traditions so that they may not lose such a valuable culture